Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. Luca has 5 kilograms of chopped tomatoes. He also has some empty tins. Each tin holds 350 grams of chopped tomatoes. Luca fills in as many tins as possible with the chopped tomatoes. Work out the weight of chopped tomatoes remaining after Luca has filled as many tins as possible. Give the units of your answer. So first off, we have 5 kilograms. We know that a kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So we can simply write this as 5 times 1,000, which is 5,000 grams. Now, in order to find out how much weight of chopped tomatoes are remaining, we first have to subtract 350 from 5,000 as much as possible. So we have 5,000 divided by 350. These cancel out, and we have 500 divided by 35. We can find this out. 500 divided by 35 gives us 14.28. 14.28. Now, the 14 is the whole number. What we want is the decimal. So we have to find 14 times 350. 14 times 350 gives us 4,900. So in order to find the leftover, we subtract this 4,900 and we're left with 100 grams of chopped tomatoes left. 100 grams. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.